What's up guys? So at this point, we pretty much know everything about the upcoming Huawei's Mate 40 series. We already have a couple of CAD-based renders of the smartphone, which gives us a good idea about the whole design of the Mate 40 Pro. And now that we are less than a month away from the official launch event, we got a live look at the Huawei's Mate 40 Pro in a subway. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, subscribe to this channel will be amazing. I know it's quite funny though, that every Huawei flagship ends up being leaked in the subways. Like seriously, it looks like Huawei intentionally leaked their smartphones at surveys, because in recent years many flagship smartphones were captured before their official launch event, in the hands of users on the subway, and I guess these are basically test samples. Anyway, this is the Huawei's Mate 40 Pro. It's still protected in a case though, but it reveals a waterfall type display, a speaker at the top that hints at dual speakers, as well as volume buttons and a power button. Note that the physical volume buttons will greatly delight those users who are not happy with their disappearance in the Mate 30 Pro. With that being said, here is possibly the image from the back. As you can see, it's having 4 cameras on its back, and whole camera setup looks like the Mate 30 Pro, and right now, there is not much information known about the cameras, but definitely I will let you know in the upcoming videos. Having said that, also we got this official poster leak of the Mate 40 family, which shows the all-screen Mate 30 Pro on the top, and gives us the release date, which is in October, and we already know that. Anyway, here are the cases for all 3 variants of the Mate 40 family, and as you can see the Mate 40 Lite have a different camera alignment than other tools. The regular Mate 40 and the Mate 40 Pro are about the same, like the difference being here is only for the size. The Pro variant is obviously bigger and greater. So this was the first live look at the Huawei's Mate 40 Pro. What do you think about it? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel will be amazing. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.